Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your analysis of this college entrance essay. So what I want for you to do is to read through this essay, and I want you to be thinking about the things that I have listed here as 2, 3, and 4, because these are going to be the things that going to want to discuss in class. So I want you to go through here and I want you to identify 3 little phrases, 3 words, 3 little small sections of text. And by small sections, I mean really no more than like 5 words would make up a small section of text. That you think establishes voice and personality. This is one of the things that kids have a really difficult time with, voice and personality. And I think it's because you've written so many formal papers. It becomes very challenging for you to kind of have a voice, because we really say don't do that very much in a formal paper. So I want you to be looking very specifically for areas where this particular author is able to have a voice, or you really see their personality coming through. I'd like you to identify 3 phrases or small selections of text. No more than 5 words would make up a small selection, as I said. And I want you to be able to kind of articulate how that establishes voice and personality. What about those pieces of text that you identified made you understand this person's personality, or made you understand why this person is the way that they are? Then I would like for you to identify the one best sentence in the essay. You get 1 sentence, that's it, not 2 sentences, not can I pick 1 from each paragraph. I want the one best sentence in the essay. And I would like a really good justification of why that is the best sentence. Why did you pick that sentence over other sentences? When you were chatting in your group, or when you were reading through the essay and you were like, well, these are the 3 best sentences, why did you select that single one? What is contained in that one sentence that makes it the best sentence? And then I want you to look at that essay overall and identify 2 weaknesses. What are 2 weaknesses in this essay? What are 2 areas where you see something going wrong in this essay? And if you were editing this essay, peer editing it for this person, what would your suggestions be? Point out the areas where it's weak and say, here is how I think that you could fix that. So I'm going to want you to be able to talk about all of these things when we come to class on Tuesday. So please make sure that you're reading over this and that you're getting some really good ideas, and that you're going to be prepared to share with the class the things that you have identified here. I can't wait to hear what you have to say.